Perched on the southeastern slopes of Sarajevo, some 667 meters above the city, stands the Sentinel of History, the White Fortress, or Bijele Tabija, a national monument. Its stone walls have dominated the eastern entrance to the Sarajevo Valley for centuries. While some believe a medieval fortress stood here as early as the 14th century, the structure we see today was largely shaped in the Ottoman era, with significant construction around 1550 and reinforced between 1727 and 1739 as a key part of the defensive wall around the Vratnik district. It was built to house a gun crew and store ammunition, with thick walls pierced by openings for cannons, designed to control the natural eastern approach to the city. The origin of its name, White Fortress, is attributed to the white paint that once coated its walls. Today, the White Fortress is a cherished landmark, offering visitors one of the most breathtaking panoramic views of Sarajevo. A stunning vista that stretches from the historic core along the Miljacka River to the modern city beyond. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to see my other videos. Thanks for watching.